Okay, next up we have a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Okay, this one has the 283 V8 engine. Okay, next up we have a 1963 Chevy Corvette, and it's the rare split window. They only made the split windows for 1 year. Okay, this has got the 327 V8, and it has the Rochester fuel injection. And there's your split window. This car is absolutely beautiful. Okay, there's the Rochester fuel injection there on top of that 327. Gorgeous engine. Okay, here's a 1930 DuPont. This car is absolutely beautiful. I can see why it belongs in a museum. Okay, next up we have a 1935 Terraplane. Okay, this car has the 212 cubic inch straight 6-cylinder engine. can also get this model back then with the optional 254 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine. Okay, here is a 1932 Studebaker. Tell you one thing, so far I am very, very impressed with the cars I'm seeing so far. Front end is absolutely beautiful. Okay, here we have a 1948 Tucker. It's a 48 sedan. And it's number 1026, the very last Tucker 48 purchased. These cars were absolutely beautiful. Way ahead of their time. The big three put them out of business. Okay, there's the interior. These cars are very, very rare. Okay, there's the engine in the back. Wow. Okay, now this one is a reproduction car made for the movie Tucker. That is a beautiful red. Looks pretty good for a reproduction car. You know, of course, the interior is not done, you know, it's not finished. It's still pretty cool. Okay, this is special. This is a 1948 Tucker, number 1001. It was the very first Tucker 48 to come off the assembly line. One of 50 that actually came off of the assembly line. Here is the information on it. It's another gorgeous red. This was originally supposed to go into the Tucker, and it's a helicopter engine, a 589 cubic inch, opposed 6-cylinder engine. Wow, look at that. Never made it in there though. Okay, here is a 1954 Corvette. Black with the red interior. Okay, here is a 1928 Pierce Arrow. And all the hardware that's inside the interior is 24 karat gold plated. With buses, no doubt. Crazy, right? Okay, here is a 1933 LaSalle. Made under General Motors Cadillac division. Got a big storage trunk in the back and your rumble seat. Very nice. Okay, here's a 1914 Stearns Knight Touring. Okay, here's a 1917 Pierce Arrow. Unbelievable. Okay, here is a 1940 Ford Deluxe convertible. Okay, here's the back end of the Ford Deluxe convertible. Okay, here's a 1959 Oldsmobile. It's a 98 convertible. here's a 1957 Buick Century. Okay, here's a 1957 Fleetwood 60 Special. Okay, here's a 1925 Ford Model T truck, and it was a Coca-Cola truck. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the nice cars, trucks, and motorcycles here at America's Transportation Experience Museum out here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. It's about 2 hours or so outside of Philadelphia. It's a nice ride out here, you know, beautiful countryside. But thank God everything is indoors. The museum's indoors because it's getting pretty hot out here. And it's been a long day for me. I got a 2-hour ride home. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and comment below too, please. Let me know what cars you liked and what museums or car shows you want me to go to next. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.